Tired of juggling tasks, notes, habits, and goals across half a dozen apps? When everything lives in a different place, procrastination and stress thrive because nothing truly connects. That's why I built Mind Matrix, an intuitive Notion workspace that functions as your organized external brain, storing everything in one place. In this video, you'll see exactly how Mind Matrix fuses mindset with productivity to kill procrastination, sharpen your focus, and connect your daily to-dos to your biggest goals. Because without a unified system, you'll keep losing hours hunting for info, losing track of tasks, and drowning in messy workflows. Let's fix that with a Notion template that actually moves you forward. At its core, Mind Matrix revolves around 5 purpose-built dashboards, each one a distinct work mode, letting you quickly snap into the right mindset. Home, your all-seeing command center. Process, a zero-clutter inbox sorter. Execute, a distraction-free deep work zone. Knowledge, your personal learning library. And daily review, a nightly reset and plan for tomorrow. By structuring your workspace this way, you cut out the mental friction of deciding where to go. The result? Less context switching, tighter focus, and day-to-day actions that stay glued to your larger goals. First stop is our home dashboard. Think of it as our daily command center. Here's where we can get a quick snapshot of everything happening in our life. Home exists to give us clarity. It offers a structured view of all the areas we're managing so nothing slips through the cracks. Now at the top of the page, we have buttons linking the other dashboards, plus a quick capture section, adding any new ideas at the moment they pop into our head. Next to that is our action items block, where we can see today's tasks, or switch to a tomorrow view, a weekly overview, or we can see upcoming deadlines. Next to that is our habit section, showing us any habits we're currently building. From here, we have direct access to the main databases that form the backbone of Mind Matrix. At the highest level, we have our pillars. These are major domains of our life, like a business, health and fitness, or personal development. Pillars help us balance the bigger picture. We're not just tracking random tasks, we're anchoring them to specific parts of our life that we care about. Goals. These are the tangible outcomes within each pillar, like launch Mind Matrix 2 or hit a new target at the gym. Having a concrete goal keeps our day-to-day tasks aligned with meaningful objectives. Instead of drifting, we always know exactly what we're aiming for in each area of our life. Initiatives. These are the multi-step projects or campaigns that bring each goal to life, reducing overwhelm by breaking big aims into manageable steps. Initiatives stop goals from becoming vague wishes by turning them into detailed, trackable plans, each step fueling real momentum. Moving on to resources. These can be anything from books, YouTube videos, articles, courses, basically information sources we can learn from or reference to help us achieve our goals. Notes. These could be your own thoughts, writing, lessons, or other information gathered from resources, which we can then apply to future initiatives or goals. Altogether, Home keeps us orientated, showing us today's priorities, and giving us instant access to capture or review data across any pillar. Let's walk through setting up a brand new pillar in Mind Matrix and adding both goals and initiatives. I'm starting a nootropic supplement brand, so I'll use that as an example. First, I head to the pillars database. I click the new page and name my pillar Nootropic Business. Once it's created, Mind Matrix takes me into the pillars dashboard. Up top, I can change the icon if I want. There's also a link back to home here, plus some mindset prompts designed to keep me motivated and clarify why this pillar matters. Below the prompts, this page will show all my action items, goals, initiatives, resources, and notes tied to Nootropic Business. Nothing's in here yet, so let's fix that now. Since my main objective is to launch the Nootropic Business, I click the new goal and name it Launch Nootropic Business. This takes me to the goals dashboard. At the top, you'll see the mindset prompts, a core feature of Mind Matrix that keeps you focused on why you're chasing this goal. Below that are sections for action items, initiatives, resources, and notes, all specific to this goal. Launching a business involves a few big steps, like brand design, finding supplier, creating websites, marketing strategy, and so on. I list each one of these out as a separate initiative. Now each initiative can be broken down into further tasks. Down here is where we add resources. The real power of Mind Matrix as an external brain. We are not starting from zero each time. Every article, research paper, or YouTube video you've collected can be reused across multiple goals or initiatives, keeping you a step ahead. For example, I've got a YouTube video that breaks down a $100 million supplement brand. By clicking the plus to pull it from my existing resource library, I can link that video right here under this goal. Next time I work on it, I can see that resource in context, extract the most relevant insights, and apply them directly to my initiatives. If I already have relevant notes, I can link them here as well. One of the biggest perks of Mind Matrix is reusing these items across multiple goals and initiatives. Over time, you build a library of knowledge that keeps you ahead. Alright, let's jump into Find a Supplier. Inside the initiative page, I also have mindset prompts, useful if it's a complex or long-term project. Now, I'll list what needs doing. Creating an outreach script. Contact at least 5 suppliers. Because each initiative has its own tasks, I stay organized without burying myself in dozens of random to-dos. I'm also going to add in some notes, just to give me somewhere to list some potential suppliers, and one for the outreach script. Linking these right to this initiative makes it super easy to reference later. These can also be linked to broader goals or pillars if needed. Now after setting up our new pillar, goal, and a few initiatives, I can head back to the home dashboard. Now I'll see all my new items reflected in the overview. Next up is process. This is where newly captured action items, resources, or notes are sorted and clarified. Anything unassigned, like a note missing a pillar or a resource that needs a topic, lands here. With a few clicks, you can place it exactly where it belongs, keeping your entire system in perfect order. This inbox approach comes straight from GTD. Capture first, clarify second. A quick pass through this view each day keeps your home and execute dashboard spotless and frees your brain for doing, not remembering. Now for execute. This is your deep work mode. Only action items marked next action appear, so today's priorities are front and center. No clutter, no second guessing. This dashboard also has a built-in Pomodoro timer. Kick off a 25-minute sprint right inside of Notion. Studies show focused bursts like this can boost output by up to 40%. We also have smart filters for our action items. Need low energy quick wins after lunch or a full focus task while you're fresh? Filter by state of mind or context and knock out the right work at the right time. By keeping the view clean and matching tasks to your current mental bandwidth, execute helps you dodge distractions and power through what matters most. The knowledge dashboard is your personal library of insights, a place to track everything you're learning, reading, or writing about. Whenever you pick up a new book or start an online course, you add it here as a resource and then build new notes from that resource. This way, nothing you learn goes to waste. It's all ready for reuse in your future goals or initiatives. It's a cornerstone of second brain concepts. Don't rely on memory alone. Let Mind Matrix hold on to your ideas and references while you focus on applying them. This daily review dashboard is where you wrap up each day, finalizing tasks, tracking habits, and deciding what carries into tomorrow. It's a simple end-of-day routine that keeps your mind clear and your next steps obvious. Finish any loose tasks or reschedule them with one click. Check off your habits. Mind Matrix automatically tracks your streaks and shows you how your progress builds up over time. Next, let's explore the Reflect and Journal section. Here you'll find your journal, weekly review, and monthly review. These sections automatically appear when it's time to complete them. In our daily journal, we have custom prompts designed for daily reflection. At the end of each week, we do a weekly review, ensuring no tasks or notes slip through the cracks. During this time, you can also rebalance your initiatives, drag new priorities into focus, and move stalled ones into the background. This weekly review habit is one of the most powerful you can develop. It forces you to pause, reassess your tasks, and adjust your direction when needed. Simply put, it's your key to sustainable long-term progress. Each month, you'll do a monthly review, a strategic zoom out to evaluate your direction. This is where you check if your pillars and goals still align with your larger vision, helping you decide whether to pivot or double down. More than just a task review, it's your chance to reflect deeply on why you're pursuing these goals. This regular big picture perspective ensures all your efforts stay true to your core purpose. Below the review section is where you plan for tomorrow. You can select which action items you want to tackle the next day. Successful founders from Benjamin Franklin to Cal Newport all share this habit, planning tomorrow before today ends. In Mind Matrix, you simply tick your chosen action items in the Plan Next Day block. Result, you start each morning with a clear roadmap and zero decision fatigue. Now, productivity shouldn't stop when you leave your desk. So Mind Matrix comes with dedicated mobile dashboards designed specifically for your phone. Whether you're quickly capturing an idea while out for coffee, reviewing your day's priorities during your commute, or ticking off tasks on the go, the mobile-friendly layouts make it easy to stay organized and focused. With simplified views for action items, habits, quick capture, process, active initiatives, and goals, the mobile dashboards ensure clarity and convenience right in your pocket, so you never lose track wherever you are. I hope this walkthrough showed you just how powerful a unified system can be. Whether you're launching a new venture, managing daily tasks, or planning that weekend camping trip, Mind Matrix can handle it all. If you're ready to transform scattered chaos into clear action, click the link below, duplicate Mind Matrix, follow the quick start video, and start tomorrow with a plan you can trust.